Good morning, good morning, students. My name is C.H. Devi. I working as chemistry lecturer in Dr. Lankapalli Bulaya College in Visakhapatnam. Today, we will discuss preparations of hydroxy compounds. Preparations of hydroxy compound. Now, hydroxy compound is divided two types. One is alcohols and another one is phenols. In this class, we will discuss preparations of alcohols and also preparations of phenols. In first one, preparations of alcohols. Preparations of alcohols. In first preparation of alcohol is oxidation of hydroboration. Oxidation of hydroboration. Now in this one, you take any alkene compound is acting as a reactant in oxidation of hydroboration. Now CH11CH2. Now you take propane. Now propane is taking as a reactant. Now this propane is treated with monomeric formation of diborane. Now this reaction is involving in Markovnikov rule. Now the ionization formation of this compound is H minus BH2 plus. What is Markovnikov rule? Now negative species is directly attacked at less hydrogen containing carbon. That means this H minus in double bond, only one bond is involving in reaction and H minus is bonding with this middle carbon and BH2 is bonding with terminal carbon. The boron alkyl boron compound is formed CH3 and CH, and this carbon is newly bonded with one hydrogen and double bond is turns to single bond, so CH2. Now this terminal carbon is newly bonded with BH2. Now again this compound also is treated with, now this, what is this name? Alkyl borane. Now this alkyl borane is treated with 2 moles of propane. Now this reaction is involving in same mechanism. Now which type of product is formed? Trialkyl borane is formed. In this one, this two hydrogen is replaced by this two alkyl group. Now CH3, CH2 and CH2. Totally 3 alkyl group is bonding with borane. Now in this one 3 hydrogens is replaced with 3 alkyl group. That compound is called as trialkyl borane. What is this name? Trialkyl borane. Now this trialkyl borane is involving in further reaction on oxidation by using hydrogen peroxide in the presence of water molecule. Now these 3 BC bonds are involving in this reaction. 3 BC bonds is involving in the reaction to form 3 moles of propanol. And the byproduct is trihydric borane. These are the oxidation of hydroboration. In oxidation of hydroboration, propane, any alkane is acting as a reactant. This alkane is treated with monomeric formation of diborane. Now this reaction is involving in Markovnikov rule. That means negative species is directly attached at less hydrogen containing carbon and positive charge is directly attached at more hydrogen containing carbon and alkane. And one bond is involving in reaction and H minus is bonding with central carbon and BH2 bonding is terminal carbon to form alkyl borane. Now this alkyl borane is treated with 2 moles of alkanes. Now this reaction is involving in previous mechanism to form trialkyl borane. That means 3 hydrogens are replaced with 3 alkyl groups. Trialkyl borane means 3 hydrogens are replaced by 3 alkyl group. Now this trialkyl borane is involving in further reaction and oxidation by using hydrogen peroxide in the presence of water molecule. three bonds of boron carbon, three bonds are involving in this reaction to form 3 moles of propanol. 3 moles of propanol. Propanol is the one of the example of alcohols, and the byproduct is 3-hydric borane. 3-hydric borane. Now another preparation of alcohol is from Grignard reagent. From Grignard reagent. What is the formula of Grignard reagent? RMGX. RMGX. Now you know that carbonyl compounds. Now you take any carbonyl compound is treated with Grignard reagent to form alcohols. To form alcohols. Now in this one you take formaldehyde. In this one you take formaldehyde. Now this formaldehyde is treated with Grignard reagent RMGX. Now you know that Grignard reagent gives R minus. Grignard reagent gives R minus. This R minus is acting as nucleophile. Now this nucleophile is directly bonded with partially positive charge of carbon. Partially positive charge of carbon. Immediately this double bond is shifted to oxygen side. This oxygen carrying negative charge. This oxygen carrying negative charge. Now hydrogen and carbon, in this one this double bond is turns to single bond and oxygen is carrying negative charge. And carbon also is bonding with one hydrogen, and new CC bond is observed in between carbon and carbanion. Carbon and carbanion, and CR bond is observed. Now this oxanium intermediate is treated with hydrolysis. Oxanium intermediate is treated with hydrolysis. Now this hydrolysis, ionization of hydrolysis is H plus and OH minus. This O minus is abstracting this H plus ions to toss OH. H, C, OH and H and R. H and R. And primary alcohols is observed. Primary alcohols is observed from carbonyl compounds by using Grignard reagents. You take formaldehyde. Formaldehyde is treated with Grignard reagent to form primary alcohols. For example, you take acetaldehyde. Now this acetaldehyde is treated with Grignard reagent in the presence of water molecule to form secondary alcohols. May you take ketone like acetone. Now acetone is treated with Grignard reagent in the presence of water molecule to form tertiary alcohols. And primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols are prepared by using carbonyl compounds in the presence of Grignard reagents. Now let us discuss preparations of phenols. In first preparation of phenol is from fusion of sodium sulfonate with sodium hydroxide. The first preparation of phenol is from fusion of sodium sulfonate with sodium hydroxide. In this one, you take benzene is acting as a reactant. Now this benzene is treated with sulfuric acid. Now the ionization formation of sulfuric acid is HSO3 plus and OH minus. HSO3 plus and OH minus. You know that the suitable substitution reaction of benzene is electrophilic substitution reactions. Now to form benzene sulfonate. Now this benzene sulfonate is treated with 1 mole of sodium hydroxide. By the loss of water molecule. To form sodium salt of or sodium sulfonate. Sodium salt of benzene sulfonate are sodium salt of benzene sulfonate. Now the sodium salt of benzene sulfonate is treated with or involving in further reaction with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide. Now the sodium salt of benzene sulfonate is reacted with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide by the loss of sodium sulfonate, to form sodium phenoxide. Now this sodium phenoxide is involving in further reaction by using carbon dioxide in the presence of water molecule. By the elimination of sodium bisulfate to form phenol. The byproduct is sodium bisulfate. Now in first preparation of phenol is from fusion of sodium sulfonate with sodium hydroxide. In this one, benzene is acting as a reactant. In that, benzene is treated with sulfuric acid. Now this reaction is involving in electrophilic substitution reaction to form benzene sulfonate. Now this benzene sulfonate is treated with any base like sodium hydroxide by the loss of water molecule to form sodium salt of benzene sulfonate. Now the sodium salt of benzene sulfonate is treated with 2 moles of sodium hydroxide by the loss of or elimination of sodium sulfonate to form sodium phenoxide product. Now the sodium phenoxide product is unstable. Immediately the sodium phenoxide is treated with carbon dioxide in the presence of water molecule to form phenol. By the elimination of our byproduct is sodium bisulfonate or sodium bicarbonate. Now another preparation of phenol is from benzene diazonium chloride. In this one, benzene diazonium chloride is reacting as a reactant. Now benzene is directly bonded with N2 plus and Cl minus. These are the word of the name is benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride is treated with water molecule in the presence of acidic condition under heat to form phenol, and the byproduct is nitrogen gas is liberated and HCl is forming as a byproduct. Now another preparation of phenols. In third preparation of phenol is from cumene. From oxidation of cumene. In first to prepare cumene by using propene with benzene. Benzene is treated with propene in the presence of aluminium chloride and H3PO4. This reaction is involving in Friedel-Crafts alkylation to form cumene. This is the structure of the cumene. Now let us discuss and write the suitable mechanism of oxidation of cumene or preparation of cumene. Now in this one, first you take propane. What is this name? Propane. Now this propane is treated with acidic medium. You know that all acidic medium is easily donated H plus ions. In double bond, one bond is shipped towards terminal carbon side. This middle carbon is carrying with positive charge and terminal carbon is carrying a negative charge. So this negative charge of carbon is abstracting this H plus ions to form CH3, CH, and middle carbon is carrying with positive charge and terminal carbon is newly bonding with hydrogen. So to form CH3. That means secondary carbonium intermediate is formed. In second step, this carbonium intermediate is treated with benzene. This carbonium intermediate is treated with benzene. This reaction is involving in electrophilic substitution reaction. This reaction is involving in electrophilic substitution reaction. A new bond is formed in between secondary carbocation and carbon of benzene. CH, CH3, CH3, and cumene product is observed. The cumene product is observed. Now cumene is treated with or involving in further reaction on oxidation. Cumene is involving in further reaction on oxidation by using O2 molecule. Now this O2 molecule is initiated on CH bond to form COOH and CH3 and CH3. Cumene peracid. Cumene peracid is observed. Cumene peracid is observed. Now this cumene peracid is involving in rearrangement. Cumene peracid is involving in rearrangement. That means group migration. Group migration. And listen, this overall benzene ring. This overall benzene ring is shift from carbon to oxygen. This overall phenyl group is shift from carbon to oxygen. Then immediately this OO bond is shift towards carbon side. This OO bond is shift towards carbon side. A new C double bond O bond is observed and a new carbon and oxygen bond is observed in product. Now phenol product is observed and the byproduct is CH3 and C double bond O CH3. And ketone byproduct is observed. Ketone byproduct is observed and phenol product is observed. Phenol is prepared from oxidation of cumene. Phenol is prepared from oxidation of cumene. Thank you for listening patiently.